Okay, so homework and remembering lesson 1 of unit 2. There is a place value chart on the top of homework side, page 27. It's really going to be helpful when completing this task. You'll see that you have the ones place, and to the right of that you have your decimal, and then your tenths, your hundredths, and right next to that is your thousandths. Hopefully I have enough room for that. That S you can't see really. But you need to know that to the right of the decimal you have tenths, so that's represented as 1/10, like a fraction. The hundredths are 1/100ths, and the thousandths are 1/1000ths. So kind of understanding how these decimals and fractions relate, let's try one of the problems on the homework page. Okay, here we go. So we are going to do on problems 1, 2, and 3 on the homework side. All the other problems on that page are very similar, so it should be easier to understand. Number 1, we have 349 thousandths. So this fraction can be represented as a decimal, and if you look to the top of your paper, you'll see the ones is to the left of the decimal. Then right to the right you have the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. Since our denominator is thousandths, we need to make sure this 349 gets to the thousandths place. So our answer would be like this. Our decimal is here, and to the right of that 3 tenths, 4 hundredths, and 9 thousandths. So to read this, you'd say 349 thousandths. That's our answer for number 1. Number 2, we have tenths. So we need to have the 6 tenths as a decimal. So that's all we need. We need our 6 in the tenths place. Pretty good so far. Now we have hundredths. Look to the right of the decimal, you have tenths and then hundredths, so the 58 needs to be to the hundredths place. 5 in the tenths, and then the 8 in the hundredths. 58 hundredths written as a decimal. This is how we can show it as a decimal, from a fraction to a decimal. Hopefully this makes sense. Use that place value chart on the top of homework and remembering Unit 2, Lesson 1. If you have any questions, send an email. I will get back with you as quick as I can. Have a good night.